Welcome back to Apple Insider, your trusted space for everything tech and innovation. Today, we're taking a close look at the Infinix Hot 60 Pro, the newest budget-friendly smartphone that's making big waves in 2025. Infinix has been stepping up its game every year, and this time, the Hot 60 Pro aims to bridge the gap between performance and affordability. It's bold, stylish, and built for people who want speed, power, and long battery life without spending a fortune. So, let's dive into this device and see if it really lives up to the hype. Number 1. Design and build quality. The Infinix Hot 60 Pro gives a strong first impression. The design is sleek, modern, and surprisingly premium for its price range. The back panel features a polished matte finish that not only looks beautiful but also resists fingerprints, keeping it clean and stylish. The camera island is raised slightly, giving the phone a distinct look that feels more flagship than budget. Its curved edges fit perfectly in the hand, making it comfortable to hold even for long periods. The phone feels solid with its sturdy frame, and at around 8.5 mm thickness, it strikes a good balance between lightness and durability. The attention to detail, especially in the texture and finish, shows that Infinix has put real effort into crafting a phone that looks good from every angle. Available in dynamic colors like Horizon Gold and Starfall Green, the Hot 60 Pro adds a youthful flair that stands out in the crowd. Number 2. The display. The Infinix Hot 60 Pro comes with a large 6.78-inch Full HD Plus display that offers sharp resolution and vibrant colors. This screen is built for entertainment, gaming, and scrolling through social media with ease. The 120Hz refresh rate is the highlight here, smooth, fast, and perfect for people who love responsive touch and fluid visuals. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or simply browsing, the clarity and contrast on this display feel more expensive than it really is. The bezels are slim, giving you a nearly edge-to-edge experience, and the punch-hole front camera at the top adds to that modern aesthetic. Brightness levels are impressive too, making it easy to use even under direct sunlight. The display tuning by Infinix enhances color accuracy, ensuring natural skin tones and balanced contrast for both indoor and outdoor viewing. Overall, the Hot 60 Pro's display delivers more than expected for its class and stands out as one of its strongest features. Number 3. Performance. This is where Infinix has done serious work. The Hot 60 Pro runs on the MediaTek Helio G200 processor, a powerful chip optimized for gaming and multitasking. Paired with up to 16 GB of extended RAM, 8 GB physical plus 8 GB virtual, it handles heavy apps, multitasking, and gaming with ease. Everyday use feels smooth, no lag, no stutter, even when switching between multiple applications. For gamers, titles like PUBG Mobile, Call of Duty, and Free Fire run comfortably on medium to high settings, thanks to the efficient GPU performance and the optimized XOS interface. The phone also stays relatively cool during long sessions due to its smart cooling system. Storage-wise, the 256 GB option gives plenty of room for apps, media, and photos without running out of space. Infinix has clearly focused on delivering performance that feels reliable and powerful in real-world use, making the Hot 60 Pro a solid performer in its segment. Number 4. Camera. The Infinix Hot 60 Pro features a dual-camera setup on the rear, led by a 108-megapixel main sensor. Yes, you heard that right, a 108 megapixels camera on a mid-range phone. The photos it captures are crisp, detailed, and surprisingly dynamic in daylight. The color reproduction is lively without being oversaturated, and the HDR processing handles shadows and highlights quite well. In low light, the night mode does a good job of preserving detail while reducing noise. The AI enhancement intelligently adjusts exposure to bring out the best results without overprocessing. Portrait mode works well, giving natural background blur and accurate edge detection. On the front, you get a 32-megapixel selfie camera that captures sharp and well-balanced selfies, even in mixed lighting. It's perfect for video calls, social media, or vlogs. Video recording goes up to 2K resolution, and while stabilization isn't flagship level, it's stable enough for casual creators. Overall, the Hot 60 Pro offers a camera experience that feels a step above its price, delivering real value to users who love capturing moments every day. Number 5. Battery life. The Infinix Hot 60 Pro packs a massive 5000 mAh battery, which easily powers through a full day of heavy use. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or browsing, it stays consistent without draining too fast. The phone supports 33W fast charging, and it takes about an hour to reach nearly 80%, which is impressive for a budget device. Infinix has also optimized battery management with its Power Marathon feature, which helps extend usage time when the battery gets low. This means you can still squeeze out hours of use from just a few percent of charge. The G99 chip is also efficient, ensuring the phone doesn't overheat or consume too much power during intense tasks. For users who need long-lasting endurance without constantly reaching for the charger, the Hot 60 Pro checks all the boxes. Number 6. Software and features. The Infinix Hot 60 Pro runs on XOS 14, built on Android 14. This version of XOS is cleaner, smoother, and far more refined than earlier ones. The interface feels light and user-friendly, with customizable themes, smart panels, and advanced gesture navigation. Infinix has added some genuinely useful tools like Lightning Multi-Window for multitasking, Game Mode for performance boost, and AI Smart Panel for quick access to your favorite apps. Security has also been enhanced with improved face unlock and fingerprint recognition, both of which are quick and reliable. Another nice touch is the extended software update promise from Infinix, which adds to the phone's long-term usability. The Hot 60 Pro also supports 4G VoLTE, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, and all essential sensors, making it feature-rich for its range. Number 7. Value for money. This is where Infinix really shines. The Hot 60 Pro is designed to give users a premium experience without the premium price. You're getting a 120Hz display, a 108 megapixels camera, a G99 processor, and a 5000 mAh battery, features that are usually reserved for phones costing much more. For students, gamers, and general users who want an all-rounder device, this phone hits the perfect balance. The build, performance, and battery life make it stand tall among its competitors. Infinix has managed to offer great specifications, modern design, and reliable day-to-day performance at a price that's hard to argue with. In conclusion, the Infinix Hot 60 Pro proves that you don't need to spend a fortune to get a premium smartphone experience. It blends power, performance, and personality in a way that feels perfectly tuned for 2025's audience. From its stylish design to the crisp display and capable camera system, every element works together to deliver a phone that's dependable, enjoyable, and built for real users. It's fast, efficient, and smart, everything you'd want from a phone that aims to stand out in the competitive mid-range market. Whether you're upgrading from an older device or buying your first smartphone, the Infinix Hot 60 Pro deserves a serious look. For its price, it's a powerhouse wrapped in elegance. That's it for today's review on Apple Insider. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next deep dive. Stay tuned for more tech reviews, first looks, and honest comparisons. This is Apple Insider, and I'll see you in the next one.